Hey guys, it's me, Jerry Metalman Battaglia. I'm out here with my sidekick Liza, and we have an awesome car to share with you. Check this out, guys. 1955 Chevy Bel Air two-door hardtop.
Wow, has a V8 in it. Great foundation for restoration. Wow, beautiful.
Yeah, these are awesome. Got the V8 motor in here, guys. The Power Glide. Car was originally from Oklahoma. We do have paperwork on it, guys. This car is for sale.
Nice solid doors, solid flooring. I love that steering wheel. It's beautiful.
Car only has 50,000 miles on it. Headline is good. Here is solid.
Love this color, the red and white. So nice.
I checked the bottom of the doors and the rockets, guys. I was on underneath the car earlier. It's really solid. Here's the trunk. Trunk is solid as well. There are parts in here as well for the car, but if you look over here, it is pretty solid. The bottom. What do you think, Liza?
Gorgeous car. Beautiful. Such a classic. Love this car. I really do.
Open it. Let me just go over here and you can hold this for me over here. I'll show them this. It's not a surface, guys. Surface. Like Liza said, a great foundation for a restoration.
Yes, absolutely.
Got some service records there with oil changes done.
Just such a beauty.
Show you here so you can see the floors. There's the bumper. So Liza, what do you think?
I think it's an amazing car. I think that once this is restored, this will be absolutely unbelievable.
Looks like they took the plugs out to lube up the cylinders as well. I believe it ran when it was parked here, when they purchased it. But there you go, guys. 1955 Chevy Bel Air two-door hardtop. So guys, please like this video. Please share this video as well with your friends. Please leave any comments down below. The car is for sale. You can reach me at 631-620-1046. Again, 631-620-1046. Please hit the bell notification for more 55 Chevy videos, as well as also please hit the little metal man icon on the right hand side to subscribe to my channel. And me and Liza just want to say thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a great day, guys.
See you later.
Bye.